hearing the noon Angelus at Abbadia. There are too many words upon the earth, and where too much is said, not much is heard. There is in noise too great, nor weight nor worth, and sound made high did hide the unheard word. There is more hearing in the empty air than in the fouled, blasted symphony of notes and meanings sent. And often there, where sounds pressed hard, 'twas but cacophony. It need not be. It does not have to be. The sound of all the morrows that this chime calls into clamoured being. I can see a way to bid tomorrow travel time, untapped by demon music. Heavily, I need not ever step. I will not walk a dark and damned morrow, chained by talk.